CSCC in preparation for the Porsche Club Championship. On the Grand Prix today, I'm racing with my son, which in itself brings all sorts of problems, as last time we did complete the race, courtesy of my son. But we're out in 2 boxes, Class 3, Class 2 Boxster, Chris and Warren in a Class 3 car, myself and Ross in a Class 2 car. So new pit crew, new staff, new year, let's see if we can have some fun.
Ready? Tell me when. Oh, it's been so. I've never done this. What should I say? Right, you ready?
Yeah.
Right, guys, just jumped into the pits. My old man's out there now, just getting used to the track and the car, really. So, not sure my timing will be the best, but no, yeah, great fun out here, and really enjoy Rindt's racing down here. It's really good.
So that's qualifying done. We didn't actually get too much running because of the code 60. It's a pretty big lap round here, so it's all to do in the race. I think we qualified P6 in class and P10. So we got a fair bit of overtaking to do, but it all counts in the race, so we'll see how it goes.
Ben is helping out with the pit crew today. First time. Seeing how it goes. It's going all good at the moment. We're going to check timing, and we have a few issues with the what do you call it? The
V-Box.
The V-Box, yeah. Had a few issues with the V-Box. But it was going well today so far. Had a few issues with qualifying. But yeah, it's all going well. First day on the pit crew. Going well.
I'm with Team Rindt this weekend. We didn't manage to get too much of a qualifying. We managed to get 1 lap in. So yeah, going out a bit green, but really looking forward to it. And yeah, hopefully we'll stay on track and get some good times in.
won. This bloke's smiling. So she.
Always smiling, definitely.
But well done, you. Fantastic.
Thank you, mate.
Kept it on the black stuff. Amazing.
Brilliant. Really.
So we had a really good time. Ross, my son, is now out in the car. These two guys came in very late doors and have done a great job. So let's hope Ross brings it home and we get his first signature. That's what we're trying to do. So let's see.
So that's the end of the race here at Silverstone. All in all, pretty good. Unfortunately, the 31 car had a fuel starvation at the end of the, right at the end of the lap, but I managed to get it back to the pits. And then the 35 car, Ross brought it home. So I think we're all pretty happy with ourselves.
Great result, definitely. Kept it on the black stuff, did a full stint. Really pleased with the performance, and thanks again to Brian. And well done to Ross for bringing it home.
First signature, all done now. So it's the first race completed, and on to the next one.
So it was just a really good day. Rindt prepared decent cars. We had a real fun time. What's to say? On to the next one. Porsche Championship next. We have just one thing left to say, and in the absence of Gavin, we'll use Ross.
Subscribe to see more videos.